Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore. Christian Medical College Vellore, which is a reputed medical university of India. In this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore. Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exam, pattern and syllabus and important dates regarding Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exam will be given, and information regarding educational eligibility, available number of seats, fees approximate, and other important information regarding Christian Medical College Master of Hospital Administration MHA program will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like Christian Medical College Vellore, Common University Entrance Test UTPG, JIPMET, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, SGPGI, KGMU, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the information bulletin for Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu, 11th of February 2025 dated. Information bulletin Allied Health Master Courses Admissions 2025. So this is the information bulletin for Allied Health Master Courses, Christian Medical College Vellore, admission 2025. Address is the Registrar, Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu, India. And its phone number 0416-228-4255 and other numbers are given. And website is admission.cmcvellore.ac.in. Email is registrar@cmcvellore.ac.in. Applications are invited for the MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MPH, Master of Public Health, Fellowships and MSc programs commencing in August 2025. Course available. So course educational eligibility, entrance exam, paper, number of seats, fees approximate. Here name of the course is Master of Hospital Administration MHA. Educational eligibility is MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BNYS, BUMS, BSMS or BE, Biomedical Engineering, BTech Biotechnology or BSc Nursing, B Pharmacy, BPT or BBA and BHA in Hospital Administration or BSc Allied Health Sciences any or BSc Biochemistry, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Chemistry, Physics, Botany, Zoology. Entrance exam paper is non-science. So entrance exam paper here is non-science, and number of seats for opened 5, minority network 5, duration 2 years, fees approximate, admission year 82,290, other year 80,350. So these are the important dates for Christian Medical College admissions 2025. 11th of February 2025, application can be accessed online. 28th of March 2025, last date for submission of application form with payment. So last date for submission of application form with payment is 28th of March 2025. 1st of April 2025, last date for receipt of relevant supporting documents. 25th of April 2025, last date for receipt of completed sponsorship form from MNW organizations. 28th of April 2025, hall ticket can be downloaded from the website. 12th of May 2025, step 1 computer based test CBT. So step 1 computer based test CBT will be on 12th of May 2025. and these are other important dates. So here I will give you information regarding Master of Hospital Administration MHA course entrance exam syllabus and pattern. So this is the syllabus for entrance exam. The non-science paper for group B. So here entrance exam pattern for Master of Hospital Administration MHA courses non-science. So the non-science paper for group B will consist of multiple choice questions of a general nature, including very basic science. So syllabus will be very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability. So this is the syllabus for entrance exam for Christian Medical College Vellore Master of Hospital Administration course. Syllabus includes very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability. So these topics will come. First topic is basic science, second is general knowledge, third is current awareness and fourth is general ability. So these four topics will come, 90 questions. And its pattern will be, so information regarding entrance exam pattern. So this is the pattern for entrance exam. The computer based examination is of 90 minutes duration. No break is permitted during the test. Entrance exam will be of 90 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes and no break is permitted during the test. All papers will have 90 questions. The question will appear in English. Every question is followed by 4 answer options. Choose the option that is most appropriate. Indicate your answer by clicking on the circle adjacent to the option you think is right. You can go to any question directly by clicking on the question number. The answered and unanswered skipped question number will be indicated in different color. If you are doubtful of the answer, you can mark a question for review. To unmark the question marked for review, you have to come back to the same question and click on the question number. If you want to change your answer to any question, you can select the question and change the answer by clicking on the appropriate answer. Each correct answer fetches 1 mark. There is no negative marking. So there is no negative marking and for correct answer 1 mark will be given. You cannot submit the test until you complete 90 minutes. The test closes automatically once the allotted time of 90 minutes are over. In case you want to review the answer, the remaining time you can do so. Ensure that you click on submit as a sign of completion. Before leaving the examination hall, please ensure that you have signed and handed over used rough sheet to the proctor. So this is the pattern for entrance exam. And now I will give you information regarding entrance exam cities. So these are the cities for computer based test. Step 1. There will be a computer based test for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section 2 on the date specified at the following cities. So these are the cities for entrance exam: Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Chittoor, including Tirupati, Coimbatore, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, Kollam, Kottayam, Krishnagiri, including Dharmapuri, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Puducherry, Ranipet, Salem, Thrissur, Tiruvananthamalai, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirunnavalli, Tirutpur, Vellore, including Ranipet and Kanchipuram, Vijayawada and Villupuram. So these are the cities for entrance exam. Step 1. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA course, entrance exam pattern, syllabus, important dates and entrance exam cities has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.